Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the light socket in your refrigerator compartment, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws, securing the user control and air damper housing. Pull the freezer thermistor out of the hole in the liner and disconnect both the main wire harness and the secondary wire connector to fully remove the assembly. Unthread the light bulb from the socket. Peel back the tape as necessary. Use a flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab to detach the old light socket. Disconnect the wires to fully remove. Install the new light socket by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Align and snap the new socket into the user control housing. Replace the tape. Thread the light bulb into the new socket. Be careful not to over-tighten. Reinstall the housing by reconnecting the main wire harness and the secondary wire connector. Insert the freezer thermistor into the hole in the liner. Fully position the housing and thread all of the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.